Model, 72 plate Ford Tourneo Custom 320T Eblue Selectshift Auto L2H1 excellent condition. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 89,426. MOT, the 1st of December 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS. Transmission, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The automatic gearbox and the transmission are in great condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy, you can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 0 former keepers, full service history, aircon, cruise control, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, sat-nav, alloy wheels. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740 1